What up, broski? This is 1 Minute Webflow Hacks. My name is Jaro. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the right way how to add icons and vector graphics to your Webflow project. Both this project and Figma file are available to duplicate. The link is below this video. Let's get started. First, scroll to the section where you want to add the icon and select the parent element. Second, go to Figma, locate the icon. I'm gonna export this book. I'm gonna select SVG and I'm gonna export it. Now let's open the file. Open it with text edit. Copy the code. Open SVG Import app. Click here, Command V or Control V on Windows. You're almost done. Right now I'm gonna select the icon and I will select its width to 24 pixels. Last step, just put it above the text and we are done. This is the correct way how to add icons and vector graphics to your Webflow project. I hope it was useful. Have a good day. Ciao.